Hey everyone, welcome to Tesla Ralph, and behind me I have my 2018 Honda Accord Sport, which earlier today I installed the yellow overlight tint for my fogs. This is what it looks like. So go ahead and stay tuned on the video to see the install. And if you like my content, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you for supporting my channel. I'm new to this, and I just want to put good quality content out there for you guys. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to hit me up in the comments. All right, thank you. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is go ahead and clean the surface. I just use a normal detail cleaner that I have for my car. Make sure there's nothing on the surface, so our vinyl overlay has a nice clean surface to adhere to. All right. So the next thing you're going to want to do, all right, if you see the overlay patterns right here, I recommend going and starting from this section here and then working down the middle, and you'll see why later in the video. Okay, you're going to start pressing in. First time doing this, guys, so want to make sure it's as close as possible towards the top. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and grab a squeegee and take the air bubbles out. The reason I did it starting from the middle is because it gives me room to work those air bubbles out. All right, I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the fog lamp overlay installed. That's what it looks like. Sorry for the shaky video. Go ahead and turn them on. Things are going to get bright. mess with them on. Really love the look of it.